Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a beautiful bokeh effect in photo using EPIK photo editor. So here I've already added the photo that I want to edit, and then first you can go to effects and find blur and select the bokeh blur. This one's right here. Okay, so just adjust it as you like so that the bokeh will look natural. You can adjust the intensity. Okay, after that, go to filter and find the faded, and I'm going to choose gloomy and then lower the intensity like this into 80, and then after that go to adjust, and if you want to crop the photo you can do just that. Going to tools and then crop. Okay, I'm going to crop the photo like this. Okay, I think I'm going to just crop it into square like this, and then you can go to adjust and maybe adjust the color grading if into your liking. You can adjust it in here. I'm going to adjust the brightness, the contrast. You can also adjust the saturation, and then I'm going to add a fini like this, and then we're done. So here is the photo with a bokeh effects, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.